Facebook. 24 million members in France, posting day after day all the details of their peaceful lives. Now, imagine if Facebook had existed a century ago. More than a brand page, a personal profile, introducing Vivien, a 29-year-old ordinary man, a schoolteacher who is exempted from service in August 1914. His best friend is suddenly sent to war and killed in October. Leon is finally drafted and torn away from his pregnant wife, Madeleine. 5 months of military training, from life in the barracks to outdoor maneuvers, before being sent to the front in April 1915.
It's been announced. Tomorrow, we're going to the front.
You could share Leon's thoughts.
I can't help thinking about the people who lived here. Children were born here. Their cries filled the house. Their laughter echoed. And no one will climb that staircase again to comfort them at the end of the day.
You could share his little moments of joy and the constant fear of his daily nightmare.
Our horizon? Corpses and mud. A viscous mud. So cold that the living, through so much trembling, almost envy the dead.
Hundreds of posts. 10 characters, one destiny, all with the same question in mind. Will Leon see his family again? 1 year of history, told as a human story, richly illustrated by the museum's collection. 10 months of posts uploaded for the launch, plus 2 months of live posts every day. 3 million euros of earned media, all for the cost of 400 printed invitations to the press conference, 250 euros. 50,000 followers within the first 2 weeks. Thousands of comments. Hundreds of questions answered by the museum. At the end, people were invited to learn more about the millions of Leons and Madeleines who endured World War I by visiting the museum. The number of visitors on location increased by 45%. The page was relayed by the National Board of Education. More than an ad campaign, a way to bring awareness to young generations.